Are you struggling to get Selenium WebDriver to work with Headless Chrome? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge, and today we're going to help you troubleshoot it step by step. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your code hangs or fails to execute as expected. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you're eager to learn and make progress. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user reached out saying they can take screenshots using Selenium and ChromeDriver, but they can't get it to work in headless mode. They provided their Ruby script, which hangs during driver initialization. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what could be causing this issue? Headless Chrome can sometimes be tricky due to various configurations or missing dependencies. We'll explore the common pitfalls and how to resolve them. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to get Headless Chrome working smoothly with Selenium. To begin troubleshooting the user's issue with Headless Chrome, the first step is to ensure that the ChromeDriver version matches the installed version of Chrome. The user should check their Chrome version by navigating to Chrome//settings help. Next, the user should update their ChromeDriver if necessary. They can download the latest version from the official ChromeDriver site. This ensures compatibility with the latest features and fixes. After updating ChromeDriver, the user should modify their Ruby script to include the correct options for headless mode. They should ensure that the arguments are properly formatted. Finally, the user should run their script again. If the issue persists, they can check the logs for any additional error messages that might indicate what is going wrong. Fun fact, did you know that headless browsers are often used for automated testing because they can run faster and without a graphical interface? It's like having a superpower for your scripts. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using specific capabilities for Selenium WebDriver with Headless Chrome. They suggest using a recent version of Chrome, like Canary, and specifying the path to the Chrome binary. Now let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves a few key steps to successfully use Selenium WebDriver with Headless Chrome. First, ensure you have the correct version of Chrome installed, version 57 or higher for Linux, 59 or higher for macOS, and 60 or higher for Windows. Next, update the Selenium WebDriver gem to the latest version. It's also important to use ChromeDriver version 2.32 or higher. Finally, add a specific driver configuration to your spechelper.rb or railshelper.rb file. This configuration registers the ChromeDriver with headless and disabled GPU options. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your Chrome and ChromeDriver updated. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get Selenium WebDriver working with Headless Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.